How to add admin commands in your Roblox game 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add admin commands in your Roblox game. So for that you have to firstly open the Roblox library and navigate to HD admin, as you can see here, and you can use other admins such as Adonis and Kuros, and we are using HD admin as it's open source and the most up-to-date admin. So then you have to take a copy of the model by clicking the green get button. Doing so will add the admin to your inventory, and then you have to head to the create page at the top of your screen. This will open up a list of your game, and after that you have to find the place for which you want to add admin commands. If you don't have a place, you have to click create new game and create your place, and after that you have to click the edit on the right side of the game. This will open up Roblox Studio for that game, and after that you have in the top toolbar you have to click view and load up the explorer and toolbox, and in the toolbox navigate to inventory. This will load up the inventory we added the admin to, and click and drag hdadmin into your place. This will add the admin to your explorer, and click file in the upper left corner of the windows. A drop down menu will appear, and select publish to Roblox. This will save the changes to your game, and on your game's home page press the green button, as you can see here, and then you now have admin commands in your game. Type cmds or cmd if not hdadmin to view the commands list. You can execute commands in game by chatting, for example. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.